I always wanted to be an astronaut. I just turned 4 when we first landed on the moon, and I have very distinct memory of my parents taking me and my older sister out into the backyard, and the moon was rising over our house, and they pointed up there and said, "We have people there." And even at 4, I thought that just sounded like the best idea ever.
We have been given the scientific knowledge, the technical ability, and the materials to pursue the exploration of the universe. To ignore these great resources would be a corruption of a God-given ability.
I had seen a new class of astronauts that had been hired for the Space Shuttle, and I was reading in the newspaper what their qualifications were, and just going through some of them, I realized I can do that, and that was a big turning point. I'm Dr. Shannon Walker, NASA astronaut, and I am getting ready to fly on the Crew-1 mission to the International Space Station. Crew-1 is the first operational mission of the Crew Dragon vehicle to the International Space Station. I was not expecting the call to be assigned, and so anytime you get a flight assignment, it's tremendously exciting. I spent 6 months on the station previously in 2010, and I am so looking forward to getting back there and having another 6 months on the space station. There are so many things that you could do on station. What I like about it is every day really is different. You get up and you may be doing a biological experiment one day, you may be doing maintenance on equipment the next day, and then the day following that you'll be doing some sort of experiment in chemistry. What I have found being part of the International Space Station program, and not just Russia, but our colleagues in Japan and Europe and Canada, is that underneath it all, we all have the same goals and we all have the same passions. The Dragon spacecraft represents to me is just a continuing evolution of better computing power that's evolved over the years and different ways that the crew can interact with the spacecraft. SpaceX is a very interesting company. There are so many young people. I always imagine it to be like it was in the early Apollo days at NASA, with so many young engineers so passionate about what they are doing. The important thing is we both have learned from each other, and now we've got a very strong bond on what we want to accomplish and how we need to accomplish it together. I do believe that human spaceflight is an imperative for our planet, and to be a part of that, to keep the progress growing, I find very inspiring.